Hello everyone, I hope you are all great. So we will explore MANUSpostdeveloper today. I have already watched some of those tutorial videos, not all of them for now. And you can also watch them from our YouTube account. There is also a help section here. There are many subjects you can check. Okay, so let's start. This video will be a shorter one, and that's why we will select the kinematics and select from the library. We can talk about creating the CNC from scratch in another video. Let's select it. As you can see, there are many machine brands. Let's choose Mazak. A milling one and a 5-axis would be great. As you can see, there are plenty of CNCs here. I am kind of familiar with these two. Let's choose that one. And the NC controller is Mazatrol, and now we have to choose the cam system. Let's select NX for now and create the post processor. As you can see, there are 5 little windows in one screen, and this is easy to use. We will talk about it in another video. Okay, so I will generate it, and I have a MANUSpostdeveloper installed in my computer, so we will just generate and wait. Now we have the output here, and I think that's enough for this video. I will try to learn more and talk about more with you in the other video. So follow me for the other videos. As I said, this will be a 60 days challenge. I hope you liked it. So if you have any questions, just you can contact me from my email or LinkedIn, or you can just comment. Okay, so take care. Bye.